Hi, this is Mila, and I couldn't help it. I just had to get this one and open it because it was stronger than me. The boba thing in the back was so adorable. I did not look at the pinhole, but I mean, what people are saying it is, I want to be surprised. This one is right here, and here I come. At least with this one, what's nice is I know it won't be a double because the pinhole is in a different spot. Or at least that is my theory. In every video they say do not trust, like it'll be the same for everybody. Maybe if they change something, or if it's in a different country or whatnot, it might be like a different pinhole or a different code or something. So I'm trusting the mystery process. I know that it won't be a double. Or when I say I know, I'm like, I really hope it won't be a double. See, I didn't get a pink one in the last one, so chances are it is not a double, which I'm very happy with. So let's see what we got. It says, read me first. I will most certainly not. Whee! And we have the same one as last time. I'll just put it off here. I'm making a mess. Oh, Rise and Shine, Tea Co. Sorry. Okay, so let's see. This is Tiny Stuff. Okay, Rise and Shine Tea. I'm getting a purple theme, so I think it's maybe this one. But like, we'll know for sure as soon as I open the container. Okay, this one is the utensils, so I'm guessing I'm getting more tongues. Yes, I'm certain. I don't need this. I'll just put it here as to not lose it. Come on. Or I'll just put it in the ball. There we go. The tongues, I'll just put them off to the side. I don't care. Ooh, this comes with a little pig straw that I won't be... Oh, no. Oh, look at this. I didn't have to cut it. I'm so proud. And stay fresh. Although I'm surprised, I thought there would be something. Oh, one of the things fell behind. That's why. What is this? No, it's an ice cube tray. It's an ice cube tray. This is adorable. Pink lemonade. Oh, goodness. This is so cute. And it's silicone. This means... Oh, there's a little plastic. That's why I can't open it. How do I... I'm going to go get a knife. This is so adorable. This means I can make my own ice. Because this is a silicone tray. So I can literally make my own ice. I'm so happy. This means my fridge will be full of ice. So full. Okay, it's not the easiest to take out though, and I'm trying not to pop it all over the place, but I guess they just poured it, cured it, and that's it. And it's the same size as the one I had for the boba as well, which means it's just like sort of their standard ice making thing. Okay, so it helps if I put my finger behind and just press with it. And as I say this, there we go. Come on, little guy. Nope. The other way around, honey. There we go. See? And now I can use this. This is perfect. I will put this in the fridge. Well, I'll put this on top of the fridge for right now. And... oh, this is so sparkly. This is like that Starbucks cup. Look at this. This is beautiful. Okay, what are the steps? What are the steps? I want to make this so bad. I want to make this so bad. Where's the instructions? Okay, there we go. So it's the, what is it called? It's called Butterfly Pea Flower Tea. Butterfly Pea Flower Tea. Okay. Here's the Butterfly Pea Power Tree. No, what? Butterfly Pea Flower Tea. Okay. It is, so first add liquid, ice, and then inside the straw. Okay, and then cure. Okay, seems simple enough. And as I say this, those are like famous last words. I'm going to put some, so there's something on the bottom. And if I were to put all the ice, I'm not saying I will, but let's see how full it is if I put all the ice. Okay, so it's about halfway full, so just about here. This means, how does it look in the picture? I mean, it does say 1 the liquid, 2, 3. Okay, so it just basically added at the same time. Okay. So I think I'll add maybe a couple at the bottom and then I'll pour the rest afterwards. Like this way they'll be partly descending as I cure. To save myself time, I will pre-insert this. This is so exciting and it's a lovely color too. I wonder how full it'll be. Oh, look at the liquid. It's not transparent, it's kind of violet, sort of. Wow, this is beautiful. This is, oh, can you see the color change? Look at this thing. This is beautiful. Okay. I'll add some ice just in case it doesn't descend very well. This way there will be some in the middle, but okay, it's sinking in nicely. And I'll keep adding liquid on top. And then I'll add the rest of the ice. This way maybe some of it will go into the cap and like make it extra adorable. I love, see, there's creativity too. I love series like that. It's not too complicated. It's basically like sort of like pour it and that's it, but it's not just pour it and that's it. Like you can decide stuff, you can make things. Okay, oh, I'm making it a bit too full, I think. And pop, okay, pop the bubble. Ooh, some of the ice is actually coming up. Interesting. So let me pour this. There we go. Oh, it's like this. Let's put this on. Oh, I hope it's not gonna spill. There we go. Like this. And let's cure. Wow, this is beautiful. Okay. So there it is. Now, I have a couple of ideas. If I had kept the level of the tea down, then I would have been able to open it and like see what it looks like. But now, this way, the lid won't fall out. So you kind of have to decide what you want to do for yourself. But look how beautiful it looks. It looks stunning. This is absolutely a drink that I would order. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you for the next little moment we get to share together. Bye!